blue-collar trades are struggling to find work, at least to the level they were used to a year or two ago. But secretly, there are many homeowners that simply gave up looking to find someone to do the projects they wanted done. A couple of years ago, these homeowners called many tradesmen and couldn't even get them to show up at their house to give them a bid. So, we built a program to find these exact homeowners, coupled with two main things: targeting the exact homeowners that want work done right now, powered by AI. We find the right homeowners that want work done right now. We only charge $16.95 a month to get you 20 to 40 leads. There are no long-term contracts, and we only ask for a 24-hour heads up before your next payment processes if you want to cancel. Many of our contractors are saying if it wasn't for our leads, they wouldn't be making money right now. In many cases, if you close 1 to 2 of these leads, you're already money ahead. If you close 3 to 5 of these leads, now you're rolling in it. Respond to these leads in under an hour. Show up regardless of what the homeowner is asking for. The little jobs turn into long-term customers. Be able to upsell other opportunities when you're there. You focus on providing great quality and service and let us handle the headache of sending you daily hot leads. Here's what a few of our customers are saying about the leads that we're sending. Prices are going up soon, but once you lock in your price, you keep that pricing structure forever until you cancel. Currently, the price is only $16.95 for 30 days of service, and that'll get you on average 20 to 40 leads. Sign up now. We look forward to helping you build a bigger, more reliable lead machine.